Hello YouTube, Dion Sardonios, and today we have an Android One smartphone from Xiaomi. This is the Mi A1 Global Edition, and this one comes with a dual camera, Android OS, Snapdragon 625, and this is a 5.5 Full HD display. So now let's open this box and check it closely. I should also mention that this is the black version of this smartphone. They can also be found in rose and champagne gold, as you can see here. And okay, here we have it. Let's peel this off. There we go. So this is a really nice presentation, and this one gives me some Apple vibes. Now this is really nifty, so let's open it up, and there we have it. Still, this is a really elegant smartphone and surprisingly thin. And okay, it won't get out like that. So there we have it, a really nice metallic back that feels more premium, and this is also a key here. Okay, so yeah, really nice. So let's check out the rest of the box. Now here we have a USB-C to USB and a power plug connector that can be connected in order to charge, a user's manual, a cleaning cloth, and what it seems to be a protective membrane for the screen. This is really nice. Usually you should buy something like this. So let's check out the smartphone itself, and this is the Full HD IPS display here. Nice tactile feel to the keys. So let's peel this off. Well, it is still elegant. It has one front-facing camera and a front speaker. Okay, let's peel this off. It has a really satisfying metallic touch on the back. Yeah, so one can currently upgrade it to Android 9. The battery is already charged, so this is the first startup of this device, and that might take a while. So this is a stock Android phone, and I'm really expecting a couple of Xiaomi applications in there. And still, this is a really old smartphone, but with an Android One program you can have the benefit of an Android 9 experience on this smartphone instead of buying another one at a higher cost perhaps. But still, one can get a newer smartphone perhaps for a higher price. I don't know. Okay, here it is. This is the welcome screen. Next, choosing our language. One really will need a case because this is really slippery. This metallic back is really nice, but I am afraid it will be the reason to drop this one a lot of times. So connect to the wireless. Okay, this is off camera because of security reasons. Still, this feels like a pixel mimicking smartphone from China. To be really honest, this is a glossy screen, and I can see one using the membrane included. I personally wouldn't, but I can see one using it. So this is really snappy, I can see. Still, their performance is relevant. Oh, these are the only two Xiaomi applications on this phone. So this is an Octa-core, right? Should we stress test it somehow? Alright. It still feels buttery smooth. So just let's wrap up this unboxing, and perhaps we'll perform some tests later. Oh, and we should check the camera also. I suppose this is not the best out there, but this one can record 4K at 30 frames per second. Okay, thank you Google. Yeah, not bad at all. Not the greatest. So given the price that one can find this in a stock house or, I don't know, in a used market, it might be a good option if it is found for a really low price. So feel free to subscribe, like, and see you in the next one.